Welcome back to Tokyo Talk, where we break down the latest cars shaping the future of driving. Today, we're diving into one of the most important sedans in the world, the 2026 Toyota Camry. This is not just a refresh, it's a bold evolution of a nameplate trusted by millions. Toyota has reimagined the Camry to match modern expectations while keeping the reliability that made it legendary. The 2026 Toyota Camry arrives with a sharper, more confident design that immediately separates it from previous generations. The front fascia is more aggressive, featuring slimmer LED headlights, a wider grille, and a sportier stance. Clean body lines flow from front to rear, giving the Camry a more premium and aerodynamic look. Even the rear has been redesigned with sleeker taillights and a more sculpted bumper, making the Camry feel closer to a luxury sedan than ever before. Step inside the 2026 Camry, and the transformation is instantly noticeable. Toyota has focused heavily on comfort, technology, and material quality. Soft-touch surfaces, refined stitching, and a cleaner dashboard layout create a calm and upscale environment. The cabin feels more spacious, with improved legroom and better seat support for long drives. Whether it's daily commuting or highway cruising, the Camry's interior now feels designed around the driver and passengers equally. Technology is a major highlight for the 2026 Camry. A larger central touchscreen now dominates the dashboard, offering faster response times and improved graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, eliminating cable clutter. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable driving information, from navigation to efficiency stats. Toyota has also enhanced voice control, making it easier to adjust settings without taking your hands off the wheel. One of the biggest changes for the 2026 Toyota Camry is its powertrain strategy. Toyota has gone all in on hybrid technology, focusing on efficiency without sacrificing performance. The latest hybrid system delivers smoother acceleration, quieter operation, and significantly improved fuel economy. Power delivery feels more refined, making city driving effortless while still offering confidence on highways. This move positions the Camry as a smart choice for drivers who want performance with responsibility. The 2026 Camry continues to shine when it comes to ride comfort and handling. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension to absorb road imperfections while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Steering feels more precise, giving drivers better control and feedback. Whether navigating city streets or taking on long road trips, the Camry offers a balanced driving experience that feels composed, confident, and relaxing. Safety has always been a Camry strength, and the 2026 model raises the bar even higher. Toyota's latest safety suite comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Improved sensors and software make these systems smoother and more reliable in real-world driving. The goal is simple: reduce driver stress and increase confidence behind the wheel. Toyota understands that Camry buyers have different needs, and the 2026 lineup reflects that. From practical daily driver trims to sportier variants, there's a Camry for every lifestyle. Sport-focused models feature unique styling elements, upgraded wheels, and more aggressive suspension tuning. Meanwhile, comfort-oriented trims emphasize luxury touches and enhanced interior features, allowing buyers to personalize their Camry experience. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest selling points of the 2026 Toyota Camry. The advanced hybrid system delivers excellent mileage, making it ideal for rising fuel costs and eco-conscious drivers. What makes this impressive is that efficiency doesn't come at the expense of comfort or performance. The Camry proves that you can have all three in one well-rounded sedan. The 2026 Toyota Camry is more than just a new model year, it's a statement. With bold design, advanced hybrid performance, cutting-edge technology, and class-leading safety, the Camry continues to set standards in the midsize sedan segment. For drivers seeking efficiency, reliability, and modern style, the 2026 Camry proves that legends don't fade, they evolve. Stay tuned to Tokyo Talk for more in-depth automotive insights and the latest cars.